Hello all, welcome back to Garage. So the mount doesn't want to come out, which makes me oh so happy. And the other strut is really not wanting to come out, so that doesn't make me happy either. And the other project I have I can't do because it's raining. So what we're going to do is buff out these headlights real quick. I got the handy dandy headlight renewal kit thing. They're not bad. I've actually already done them once, but I want to get rid of this thing, and so we're gonna buff this out real quick and then swap out some headlights for these bad boys. I actually ran out of the goop that you're supposed to use, so just gonna use a little bit of rubbing compound on them real quick. Just polish them up. I can get rid of this kit. And they give you this headlight clear coat, which the problem with these headlights is the UV protectant starts to go on them, and that's a lot of the times that's why they yellow, discolor, whatever you want to call it. So if you buy one of these kits, buy one with the UV protectant. The UV protectant is what actually keeps them nice and shiny and from weathering up. This stuff, I don't know what it is, but yeah. So there you go. That's a real quick little trip through shining up headlights. And I got, you can see what these headlights look like. They are pretty yellow. So I have new, beautiful 6000K, so I was trying to spit out, headlights for this bad boy. That we're going to swap these out, and supposedly they're plug and play. I'll show you what they are here. They're LEDs, so they should be infinitely brighter than our current banana color, we'll call that. But yeah. So there's headlights. I'm going to drop this video, and then I'm going to do another one for hooking up the new ones and the fog lights, because those need to go in too. So, yeah. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.